faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, night. Sarah say morning, faves.
Me say mama.
Olivia say hi. Olivia. Oli. Say hi. The girls are matching in the same dress. Look at them. So you guys, we are heading out today. The fam bam is over there. Babe and my brother, my sister-in-law coming in to drive. So where we heading today? Probably it's in the title. If it's not in the title, then now you know, girl. We're heading to Philadelphia today. So we're going to Philly to spend the day. We have a few things planned. We should visit some monuments, and we should also take the kids to Sesame Place. So that's Elmo, Sesame Street, and all those good stuff. Sarah will be excited about that, so we're looking forward to that, to see the kids' face. Yeah, so just hopefully I can taste Philly cheesesteak today, because I hear all these good stuff about Philadelphia have the best cheesesteak. So I taste the one here in Jersey and it was really good. So let's see if Philly can top that. Anyway, you guys are gonna go have a good day. So enjoy today's vlog. Subscribe to the fam bam if it's the first time. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Another day of vacation here in New Jersey. See you guys later. Right now we finally reach. First thing I'm seeing, pretty horses. Look at this white one, Olivia. Wow. And we're trying to go to the Liberty Bell. Go to the Liberty Bell, you say, right, honey?
Yeah, it's Liberty Bell.
Oh, there we go. Liberty Bell Center, Philadelphia. That's where we're heading. So I think we have to go and join a line to get in. So that's what we're doing right now with the fam bam. So Tyler, say hello to the faves.
Hello.
Babe.
Hello.
We're going to Liberty Island.
Sarah, say hello.
Hello.
So we're gonna join the line. My brother and his fam bam in the front. My sister-in-law, my niece, and my nephew. Look at the girls wearing the same dress. Alright, let's join the back of the queue. So what is over there? What's that building?
You know,
so we join a line to get into this place. The line is moving, so it's not too long. That's okay. Please, Mama. Okay, so I'm trying to read a little bit. So what I found out is that the bell basically signifies freedom, which is kind of cool. Hence why it's such an icon within the city. So we're just walking through and reading the history of this place. So we are Woman's Liberty Bell. That's what it looks like, and it have a very famous crack on it, and it explains you what the cracks, how the crack happened, and what the cracks looks like. Yeah, Martin Luther King over here Jr. and Dr. Emmanuel Wrights, leader of the modern civil rights. So that's a replica of what the crack on the bell looks like. There we go. Liberty Bell with the crack. with the zigzag. They're reading. And there you have it, the Liberty Bell in all its glory. Famous bell. Play with Olivia. Connor, go.
Connor, Olivia.
Sarah, look. Oh, somebody go drop in now. Look at them. Go play with Olivia. Go play with Olivia. Go play with Olivia. They're having the time of their life. Look at them. Oh my God. Olivia want to play with Sarah. Sarah, no! Sarah! Sarah, go play with Olivia. Go give Olivia a high five. Go, tap Olivia.
Olivia, high five. Olivia, high five to Sarah.
Alright, so we leave the Liberty Bell. Watch my nephew. And I don't know where we're going right now. I'm just following the crew. Olivia, let's go. Sarah pushing her cousin's stroller. Look at his legs. Connor!
You're blocking traffic.
Connor, you're too cute. I can't. Don't run, Sarah, walk. So baby's telling me a little history because I don't really do the history much, but I'm enjoying the tour. Baby said this is the Independence Square in Philadelphia. I love the red stone buildings here in Philadelphia. I realize that it's very common for the red stone. Independence Square.
This tree building.
Okay.
Old City Hall.
Old City Hall. Philosophical Hall. You are here. Congress Hall is over here. Independence Hall is this one. This one. And then the Old City Hall is over there, probably where the museum is. And then that one over there. Just the history that is here, so I think it's amazing to visit at least once if you're in the area. Oh yeah, we're enjoying going through Philadelphia, but I'm looking forward to the food. What we do lunchtime, we pause for lunch, everybody's hungry like crazy. So we're having wings, fries, and cheesesteak. Finally get to try the cheesesteak in Philly. I don't think it'll be much different from the one that we tried in Jersey. Yeah. I wouldn't give celery. You only juice celery when I eat that. Babe, you're not giving me a bite of the pizza? That's so good. So this is the place that we ate, Lamberti Pizza and Market, and so that's where we had lunch. Finished lunch, had cheesesteak, and I think it's all about where you go in Philadelphia to have the cheesesteak. The cheesesteak that I had here and the one that I had in Jersey yesterday, super prefer the one in Jersey yesterday. It was really good. I think it's a difference. Like I said, it's all about where you go to have it. The one yesterday had sauce and onions on it. This one didn't. And it wasn't as juicy as the one that I tasted yesterday. So That was good.
Something else about the difference.
The difference about the cheesesteak?
Yeah.
Okay, talk quick. We're incoming.
The one in New Jersey, it's like a sandwich, but this one is like a hot dog.
Ah, well, that's Tyler difference observation. Anyway, you guys, it's about to rain here. It's been coming down for a while. It's not hard, but people have hard enough for you to have your umbrellas out. I will put hats on the kids. But we are heading back to the parking lot right now because we are going to another stop. But we have about 30 minutes drive before we get there. But it's a good day so far. So we finished touring the city where we wanted to go at the Liberty Bell, and now we are at a park called Sesame Place where there are rides and water section, so we all put on our swim things and swim outfits, swim suits and stuff, and head into the park. So I'm sure the kids are going to have lots of fun. So I'm looking forward. I've been going crazy the minute she saw Elmo, because you guys know she's Elmo obsessed. Welcome to Sarah. Who is that? Look at Sarah. Who is that up there? Big Bird, Elmo, and what the elephant name?
Snuffy.
Snuffy. Let's go. We're going to water first. Ah, this section is perfect. This section is nice. Sorry, you want to go in the water? Only follow them. Because we're in Sesame Street right now, so you're seeing all the characters of Sesame Street right there. So as we walk through the village, we're seeing each character. Look at them. My girl and I on the right. Say hello, Sarah. Ahead. Hey, oh Sarah, look at Mama. Say hello.
Hello.
Tyler is over there with Papa. They're right here, and my sister-in-law is right here. My brother didn't get to come with my niece, so they're gonna come on the next ride. Oh, shit. just love the ride. Look at her face. She's smiling so much. She's not afraid one bit. She loves it.
We can save joyfully. All our letters and numbers too. I especially like to learn with you.
Elmo, Sarah, look at Elmo. You guys, I am done. I had the best time. You guys hear my voice? It's slowly leaving, but I'm trying to preserve this voice, okay? Because you guys, I need to vlog. I need to vlog. You guys pray for my voice. Oh my god, I had the best time today. The kids had the best time. Look at Sarah. She's sleeping. Tyler is in my brother's car. We are picking up some final preparation things for Sarah's birthday tomorrow. So you guys do not want to miss the vlog after today because it's gonna be Sarah's birthday. Tomorrow I'll be very busy. I am heading home right now from Sesame Place. We had such an amazing time. Heading home right now to get a little rest, to get ready for Sarah's little celebration tomorrow. So hopefully you guys really enjoyed today's vlog. If I do not get to come back to end today's vlog, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow. If I have something else to show you, then I will put it after this, but if not, I'm signing out for today because I just need to go home and rest. So see you guys tomorrow.